guys, what is up? If y'all not already, go smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, tap on that bell for all my notifications. So today for Christmas, I got like so much freaking stuff. Well, I'm about to do one of my things that I got for Christmas. I have to get my slime box really quick. Okay, my slime box is overflowing right now. Oh my god, all my slimes. I have to just put them over. What the heck? I don't know if I can. Crap. Sorry guys, just trying to organize my stuff really quick. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Sorry guys about that. So here we have I got this weird thing, like I have a Clears mixer and then I have Clears clay, and I guess I mixed them together and it makes butter slime. I don't know, my mom got it for me. I've never seen this. And yeah. So, I'm getting the Clears mixer out right now. Well, first of all, I have this. I'll be right back, guys. I have to go get the scissors. Okay, guys, I am back. Pacey, what are you doing?
Hi, Pacey.
Hi.
You're here.
And I'm going to do a next video about all my slimes. I did one. Guys, I got way more slimes. Store-bought slimes for Christmas. So, I need to do that video again. What are you doing? So here's a slime. I guess it's slime. I do not know. I've never had this. And it's like clear pink slime. Really like this. How's it go? Quit banging on the slime there. Well, be gentle, okay? Whoa. Wow. slime is really good. This clear stuff. Oh my gosh. This stuff is like slime, but it's like hard.
You jumping on Sissy's bed?
She's like playing with my hair in the background and she's like, oh Sissy, your hair.
Careful.
I need
Yeah, you did.
she just fell off the bed. Need a trash can. Dad, feel the clay that's supposed to go in. Guys, I'm playing with it so it's turning not clear. Dad, feel the clay that's supposed to go in this. Feel this compared to this.
Whoa.
So, guys, I am about to do this. Say goodbye to this clear slime. I bet you will make it way more clear. It feels so weird.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh, Dad, who knew you can make clear slime with clear clay? Dad,
Pepe, don't be, you know.
no, those are my favorite.
They're all gone, Pepe, no more.
Dad, she has all of them. Those are my
She don't have all of
favorite.
them.
Look at her hand. Look at her hand. Give me it now. Now. Please. Guys, my sister's a brat, so don't like. Dad, get the candy from her. This is like mixing very weird. If you're a boy and you're watching this, if you don't know how to make slime, I don't think clear slime ever mixes really good with clay. And just to tell you guys again, I did not buy this. My mom did. I really don't think it's mixing that well. So, if you guys agree, give it a like. And comment down below if you guys ever tried this out. And tell me if it works or not. Like, if you keep mixing it and it works. Because I need to know. This is not mixing. Paisley, get out of my closet! Oh yeah, guys, I have a bathroom in the inside of my room. So... I have the master bedroom. No, I'm just kidding, I don't. Guys, this is not working. I'm about to go wash my hands. I'm going to wash my hands. I will come back in a minute. Bye. Hey guys, so why did I pause the video? I was mixing and it's kind of turning out.
Let me see it.
It's turning out, Dad.
Yeah, this is thick clay. Let's see. Holy cow. Whoa.
Yay!
good slime,
Slime!
It's real good slime.
Why did Pepe get the slime that Hudson and me got? pretty sure I didn't read the directions because I didn't read them at all. But it's turning out really good. It turned into like a bubble gum, a little bit lighter than a bubble gum. And yeah, I really like it. I have a few dislikes about it, but overall, it's really good, guys. So thanks for watching. Give this a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.